I'm Dr. Larry Burke, a retired holistic musculoskeletal radiologist, now working as an online health coach. I'd like to invite you to my spring cleaning for your chakras 7-hour intensive workshop via Zoom on Saturday, March 21st, 2026, from 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. This workshop is based on a 7-module shift network course that I taught this summer on the chakra self-healing protocol. I've distilled the essence of those teachings down into this 7-hour program, which will also include a 1-hour meal break in the middle. There'll also be recordings available afterwards the next day. Many chronic illnesses seem to have their origins in childhood trauma. And these traumas are stored in the chakras as shadow emotions. The chakras develop in chronological order from the first chakra in infancy to the second chakra in toddlerhood, to the third chakra in preschool, fourth chakra in grade school, fifth chakra as a preteen, sixth chakra as a teenager, and seventh chakra as a young adult. In this workshop, we'll be using emotional freedom techniques to clear the blocks out of the chakras, and also using illustrative case reports from my coaching practice and also the books of Mona Lisa Schultz and Carolyn Mace. As we go through the chakras from bottom to top, we will be addressing fear in the first chakra, which may result in autoimmune diseases and lower leg problems. Anger in the second chakra may result in chronic musculoskeletal and abdominal pain syndromes. Shame in the third chakra may result in eating disorders and diabetes. Grief in the fourth chakra may result in heart, lung, and sinus conditions. Lying in the fifth chakra may result in thyroid disease and neck problems. Illusions in the sixth chakra may result in eye and ear problems. And finally, material attachments in the seventh chakra may result in headaches and neurological disorders. We'll be working our way through the chakras during the entire Saturday workshop. And by the end of the workshop, you will have cleared and cleaned your chakras for the spring of many of the emotional blocks you might have been carrying for years. And this may have an impact on chronic illnesses that you've also been suffering with. And the skills that you learn will continue to be useful long after the workshop. You can learn more about the course and registration on my website at larryburke.com or letmagichappen.com. And I look forward to seeing you in the Saturday, March 21st workshop, which is the day after the spring equinox. So get ready to do some serious spring cleaning and self-healing. See you then.